DxO has a great deal on its noise reduction software, DxO Pure Raw 2. I have found that DxO Pure Raw 2 is the best noise reduction software for raw images for two reasons. And those reasons are DeepPrime algorithm and optic modules. Hi, it's Peter here. And a disclaimer. DxO does not sponsor this video. However, DxO has a great deal going on. They will give you a €30/$ discount if you download the trial version of DxO Pure Raw 2 and buy it after testing and you have used my affiliate link. I have the link in the description. This deal is valid from today up until February 12th, 2023. And DxO Pure Raw 2 update. The DxO Pure Raw 2 had a minor update, bug fixes and support for new cameras. I'm happy that OM system OM 5 is now supported. I just got my own that I bought. I will be using it mainly for street and everyday photography. I have my 20mm f1.4 glued into it. I find this combo perfect for me. And yes, it is all black version. I also bought the ECG5 grip for it. It fits better in my hand with the grip. But let's look at the two essential things that DxO Pure Raw 2 has. These two separate it from the competition. The first one is the optic modules. DxO has over 75,000 camera lens combinations, and DxO has worked with this for 20 years. Most likely your combo is supported. These modules work across all the software that DxO has. They work with DxO PhotoLab 5 and 6, Pure Raw 2, Viewpoint 3 and 4, Film Pack 6 and Nik Collection 5. The way it works is that it will apply the modules when reducing noise with the algorithm you choose. If the module is missing, it will ask you if you want to download it. After that, it will use that module automatically. What DxO says about the technology? It is your camera and lens, but better. If you do not want Pure Raw 2 to use the modules, you can always turn it off and it will only do noise reduction. Or you can only let Pure Raw do the lens corrections and turn off the sharpening. That is something to play around with. Sometimes the sharpening is too much when done globally. If you turn the sharpening off, it will only sharpen the details. Play around with this and see what works for your images. And then the noise reduction algorithm. DxO Pure Raw has three different algorithms: HQ, Prime and DeepPrime. DxO has a fourth algorithm for noise reduction. That's called DeepPrime XD. At the moment, this is only available in DxO PhotoLab 6. I do not know when this will be in Pure Raw 2. I like the XD version, but some say it is too aggressive. And I agree, it might be sometimes a bit too aggressive. Let's look at the differences with this image. It was made with OM5 and the 20mm f1.4 Pro lens. I used ISO 3200. Here are the three different versions side by side. If we only look at the noise, DeepPrime is the best one. Some might think that it is too clean and prefer the Prime version. If I were making the black and white image out of this, I most likely would go with Prime. It has more character and fields to it. Play around and test for yourself what algorithm works best for your image. And the workflow, which is really important. There are three different workflows. DxO Pure Raw works as a standalone software. You drag an image here and DxO Pure Raw will do its magic. Then it can be used straight from File Explorer and Finder. Right-click a raw image file and choose the noise reduction method. I mainly use DxO Pure Raw as a plugin for Lightroom Classic. It is easy and fast. The best thing is that it does everything in the background. I can continue editing other images if I want. After DxO has done it, it will automatically import the image to the Lightroom catalog. The workflow is the best for me. The image that comes back is a linear DNG, and you can choose JPEG too if you like. If you want to know more about a linear DNG file, there's a link in the description for more information if you'd like to take a look what that is. And the deal. As I said at the beginning of this video, there's an affiliate link to the DxO Pure Raw 2 page where you can download the trial version and test it for yourself. And if you decide to buy it, you will get a €30/$ off the price if you have used my affiliate link. The way it works, you download the trial version of DxO Pure Raw 2, and after you have done that, DxO will send you an email where there's a coupon code, and use that coupon code when you buy the software. And the coupon code is valid for 30 days. One thing I need to mention, DxO Pure Raw works only on raw images. And here are some more videos about DxO software. You might want to watch that and see how good those actually are. But hey, thanks for watching and bye for now.